Hi, I'm J.O. I'm a certified financial planner. I'm the author of this book, Maximize Your Medicare. It's the 7th edition. Next year, the 2020 edition is going to be published by Skyhorse Publishing. I just reached an agreement with them to reissue the book. Going to be available everywhere. Anyway, I'm going to send you this book for free as part of a new service called GH2 Unfiltered. Now, GH2 Unfiltered is the name of my professional firm. And it addresses what the book cannot. So Maximize Your Medicare is about understanding the important points to not only enroll and avoid penalties, what Medicare covers, what it doesn't, so that you understand the financial risks. But in addition to that, it allows you to understand, hey, there are certain things I can control. I can control, my diet and things like that. There are certain things that I cannot. And that's not all bad because the competition is working in your favor if you know what to look for. Maximize Your Medicare, it provides guidelines, goalposts, if you will, a roadmap so that you can figure out, okay, I need to turn my radar on a little higher because the system is going to change. That's inevitable. But there are limits to the book, right? There's, for example, in this book, you will not see me saying carrier number 1, choice number 3 is the best. There are limits because I'm highly regulated. Federal regulations prevent me from doing so. In public, this is information only. However, and in GH2 Unfiltered, which is less than $2 a month, you'll be able to see other opinions. Things, weaknesses to look for. In other words, while the plans may look the same, and it's easy to be confused, and it is easy, that there are very subtle differences, and those subtle differences will make all the difference for you, your coverage today, and for your choosing of your roadmap for the future under retirement. I'm Jay. Go to MaximizeYourMedicare.com. That's the website for the book. I'll send you the book for free. You'll have to pay for postage, and be sure to sign up for GH2 Unfiltered. So I'm back, and this is a look at MaximizeYourMedicare.com. And this is the way that I help solve the Medicare maze. So here's, the book is just the beginning, really. Inside here are a bunch of different resources. You can see it here. I'm dragging you through the website here. Yes, you can see about the book. But in addition to their podcast, you can hear my snarky comments about sports and Game of Thrones there. You can also see YouTube videos. And if you have your private questions, there is an email form here under the Ask Jay page. Let's see if it goes there, actually. Yes, there you go. So you can actually bring your private questions there. All right, and let's just see if we can drag ourselves a bit. Nope. All right, so, and you can see down here at the bottom of every page are a bunch of different resources. You can see what Medigap covers. You can see existing Medicare premiums and a bunch of different links, useful links. If you need extra help, for example, you can apply, you can get the correct forms here. In addition to that, Veterans Affairs, you can understand that Medicare veterans, very, very complicated stuff. This is the page for the offer, and you can see it here, which is, this video is going to go in here in some kind of form. I'm in the middle of doing that now. You just put in your information, very simple. It's not like today's my first exercise, right? Which is that a lot of persons have read the book. And, this person here, retired hospital CEO and CFO, nice enough to make his comments about me and about the book here. This is difficult stuff. And yet people don't actually dig hard enough, candidly, about Medicare and how critical it is. They go to Tim Hortons, they go to McDonald's Senior Hour for senior coffee, and they get their advice. They hear it secondhand after having coffee, and then they make a selection. It doesn't make sense to me. I'm trying to get people away from that because, you're the one who lives with the consequences. And by that same token, you're also the one who can benefit saving money, avoiding penalties, getting benefits that you did not know existed. Those things are more likely if you know and keep up to date. So, today's not my first drill. Like I said, I have appeared in a lot of places. Today's not my first exercise, whether that be a library system, whether that be in front of the State Bar of Michigan, whether that be on Jim Cramer's website, thestreet.com, and all of these locations here that you see on your screen. Today's not my first exercise in making comments, in providing just guidance. GH2 Filtered, however, is the second layer because, there are limits to what I could say in all of these locations, right? Because that information is available to everyone, whether or not you are very well off, whether or not you live on Social Security as your only source of income. The beauty of Medicare, the grace of Medicare, the elegance of Medicare is if you understand the rules, you can get the same plans as someone else, irrespective of your background, whether that be financial background, health background, employment background. None of that matters if you understand the rules. So the book is for the rules, so that you can navigate the Medicare maze, right? I maximize the Medicare maze. That's what this book is for. So you get it for free. You have to pay for postage, like I said earlier. And then the subscription to GH2 Unfiltered, the extra layers to the answers here on how to get the most from your every dollar, to get the most to benefit for you given your situation, sits here in GH2 Unfiltered, less than $2 a month. I'm Jay. Be sure to join the Facebook page, community. There's the YouTube channel that you're seeing it at here, and follow me on Twitter. I'm pretty much available everywhere.